What what did I get myself into? My skin was covered in goosebumps, my body anticipating a knife covered in frost slicing through me. The water level rose, just like our adrenaline levels did. Today was the day. After a rocky walk through memory lane, Jan and I had enough. Enough of days and nights lit by the fluorescent lights illuminating our lives in the city. We yearned for that feeling of entering nature, so strikingly real we could nearly feel it while swiping through our phone galleries, filled with past adventures. Yet an impassable glass wall split us from reality we yearned for. Something had to change. We knew it. A reset was long due. Life in nature won't start by clicking on a program. No, it was time to enter. In that very moment, we felt it again. It was as freezing as licking a metal pole in winter. The essence of life. Life itself.
Fuck ja.
Richtig gut, Alter.
Oh, Alter. Scheiße.